Listen. The wiper blades make a sizzling sound. Let's take off the wiper blades. Here's a little switch. Press it down, pull it out, and take it off. We slowly put the wiper lever on the windshield. This side there is obviously no fit problem, but this side is already tilted up. It's not normal. This is the reason why the wiper blade makes abnormal noise. Solving this problem is very simple. Use a screwdriver to twist it back into the correct position. The wiper blade has now been installed. Now let's get in the car and check if there is still any abnormal noise. The wiper blades no longer make any abnormal noise at all.